Oh my god, we actually got a viewer! Quick, get the mic! Oh, the mic is already on? Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Bot, and today we're gonna create Pong in Unity, then make an AI to that shit up. You might be thinking, why Pong in Unity? Well, the truth is, I just graduated college and realized it was useless.
Yesterday.
So I figured, why not try something new? Making Pong should be easy, right?
Nope.
It won't move. The first thing we need for this game is a shopping list. We need text, images, backgrounds, explosions, things that look cool. So let's get shopping. Okay, so after hijacking the background and creating the ball and player piece, we're now ready to move the player. The only thing we have to check is to make sure that the player cannot move off screen. Because I'm dumb as fuck and didn't feel like doing the math in code, I just created 4 virtual walls in Unity that won't allow the player to slide through them. The reason that we're using Unity for a game like this is because Unity comes with a pre-installed physics package. The beauty about this is that we don't have to come up with all the physics formulas ourselves when the ball and player piece collide. Let's look at a quick demo.
Bruh.
Yeah. That's definitely getting cut. One small fix later, and we're good to go. Let's test it out. After buying a new computer, I finished up the game. I added the score and some cool looking flames to both the player and the ball. I also added some cool fireworks, yeah, very nice. Very nice. I like that. Every 3 scores, the speed of the game increases, so the ball will go faster and faster. And yeah, it's looking good, it's looking nice. Now that we're done with the game, the next part is the AI. The AI is going to use a combination of neural networks and the genetic algorithm. But fear not, my nerds, I'm going to give you guys a quick explanation, starting with neural networks. Neural networks are actually very simple. They're exactly like your body. You feed in a bunch of shit into it, and it outputs shit. Now in your case, I'm hoping you flush that shit. In our case, we're going to use the output to do something. A negative output is going to tell the player to slide to the left, and a positive output is going to tell the player to slide to the right. Take, for example, the picture in the top right corner. In this case, we're inputting a lot of shit into the neural network, and it's outputting a bunch of shit as well. However, in this case, it's outputting some bad shit because it's telling us to move to the right, when we know we have to move to the left. So we want the neural network to output some better shit. In order to improve our neural network, we have to run it a bunch of times and use it in conjunction with the genetic algorithm. The genetic algorithm creates a ton of neural networks. Each neural network is graded with how many balls it hit during the game. At the end of each generation, the genetic algorithm selects the neural network that hit the most balls as the winner. In the next generation, the genetic algorithm uses the winner from the previous generation as a genetic basis and forms mutations around them. This just means that the neural network gets better over time. So yeah, pretty simple, right? You're a machine learning expert now. I don't know why these people make all the big bucks. PhD, more like piled high in debt. Ha! Phew. Now that we got all the theoretical bullshit out of the way, let's start the f***ing AI. The AI is going to start extremely slow in the beginning, but don't worry guys, the neural network is going to get better and better over time. Let's just be patient.
Hours later. One winner later.
Nope. 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 Nope.
No big deal, no big deal. I told you guys, we just gotta be patient. It's not like it took it 5 hours to hit one ball. But now it's time to crank up that bitch. As you guys can see, the AI figured out a pattern and started sticking to the walls. The bastard found a hack. I decided to cap the max speed of the ball after a score of about 100 to prevent this. We won't let a dumb, soulless robotic being beat us. Let's kill this bitch! I want to see this AI bouncing off the walls. We will prevail victorious! Back to the drawing board. The issue we have right now is that the AI is just maximizing points, because, well, that's what I told it to do, so it's actually doing its job. It's trying to take over the world. So how do we prevent this? I'm going to give the AI bonus points for moving along the screen and hitting the balls at extreme angles. This will force the ball to move all over the screen and force the AI to move along with it. Let's see how these changes turned out. Much better, much better. I'm pretty happy with these results. So
Let's get ready to rumble!
And watch the final masterpiece.
Subscribe or I will steal your Bitcoin. Bye.